Joe is a truck driver. 2 years ago, he started to have an uncomfortable pain in his groin.
Like needle punctures, come and go. And afterwards I started having irregular bowel movements.
After seeing many doctors and going through many procedures without knowing what was producing his pain, Joe was recommended by a friend to University Medical Center of El Paso.
A friend of mine, her father did a colonoscopy here, and his were cancerous, and they saved him.
At UMC, Joe went through a colonoscopy at the Center for Diagnostic and Advanced Endoscopy.
And that's how I found out I had 32 polyps.
According to the National Cancer Institute, polyps are a risk factor for colon cancer.
I found out that my family has a history of colon cancer. 3 relatives die of colon cancer.
One of the big outpatient areas that we focus on is colon cancer screening. This is a very important issue because colon cancer is common and perhaps the second most common cause of death, for instance. And one way to prevent colon cancer is to screen for colon polyps and pick up the early lesions and remove polyps and therefore prevent later development of colon cancer.
I think UMC is uniquely positioned to offer the best quality service for our patients, as we have a highly trained nurse and tech team. We have all the most advanced equipment, anything that we could need. We have a vast array of products from which we can select from in order to do the best job and customize our approach to each patient. And I have been lucky enough to be invited to be a part of it. This is really my third exposure to it, but I have found, and I've worked in several advanced labs across the country, that this is an incredibly well-equipped, very well-trained, staffed, and one of the best advanced departments that I've had the pleasure of working with.
Everybody was real professional, and man, I thought I was being pampered. But and the doctor was real good. I do have to say about it, they're real good people, good to work with, and got to my problem. If I wouldn't have done this procedure, another 2 years would have gone by, it could have turned into full cancer. I would be in the same spot my uncles were, with 6 months to live or a year to live. And I'm very grateful, that I caught it on time.
Donations to the Center for Diagnostic and Advanced Endoscopy at UMC support outreach to educate others in our community, just like Joe, about the importance of life-saving colon screening procedures.